What if I told you that just one video could earn you money for months, even years after you upload it? I'm 17. I started editing videos for fun, and now those edits have received millions of views. Today, I'm not only doing it as a hobby, but building real passive income on YouTube. And it's only getting started. And the best part, you can do the exact same. And I'm going to show you how. Step 1. Pick a niche. Choose a topic you're genuinely interested in or something you're good at. For me, it was movie edits. I started because I loved doing it. And that passion kept me consistent. Don't choose anything that doesn't interest you at all, because in the long run, you will lose motivation. But if you have no idea where to start, here are the best niches with the highest CPM. Step 2. Plan and script your video. Don't just hit record and talk randomly. That's one of the fastest ways to lose viewers. Before I edit, I take a few minutes to plan everything I want to say. I usually break the video into a clear structure using bullet points, and then start turning that into a basic script. I just open a Google Doc and type whatever comes to mind. And since I'm not perfect in English, I sometimes use ChatGPT to help improve my script and make it sound more natural. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Step 3. Editing. This is where your video truly comes to life. Good editing keeps people watching. So ask yourself, would I stop scrolling to watch this? If the answer is no, keep improving. I use Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects because they give me powerful control and amazing effects. But there are plenty of great free options too. But here's the thing. No matter how good your editing is, it won't matter if people don't click your video in the first place. That's why creating an eye-catching thumbnail is absolutely crucial. There are many ways to make a banger thumbnail, and I'll definitely do a tutorial on that soon. But here are the basics. Use bold text, strong contrast, and create something impossible to ignore. And now, here are the 5 ways to actually receive passive income. Method 1. You can earn money on YouTube through AdSense, which pays you for the ads displayed on your videos. YouTube takes a percentage of the revenue, but the rest goes to you. To enable monetization, your channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. That may sound challenging, but if your videos provide real value and high-quality content, reaching those numbers can happen faster than you think. Method 2. If you want to start earning money before you're eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing is a great option. It allows you to make money from day one. The concept is simple. You promote products or services in your videos and add affiliate links in the description. When viewers click those links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's one of the easiest ways to monetize your channel early on. Selling digital products. Sell ebooks, presets, templates, online courses, and digital art. Method 4. Sponsorship. If you have many subscribers, companies will often reach out to you. If you are just starting to grow, you have to reach out yourself.